So GBP, daily it's in sideways, and in 4 hour it's technically in the order block. Looks bullish. There is a fair value gap which it can tap into, and but it is around its opening price, so the displacement was good. We have a fair value gap higher, we have a fair value gap lower, so I'm not sure. The time frames are not aligned, that's the thing. If I have to, then I would not trade. But in the morning we were bearish. Right now it looks bullish. Actually, it will close around its opening price, so I'll do the analysis. But let's see. If I had to, then the plan would have been I would not trade, but let's do the analysis. We will buy GBP bullish. We need a 15-minute FEG and 1-minute breakout structure just for the analysis sake, but we won't trade GBP. And same must be the case with, okay, was that euro? Yeah, so we won't trade euro. And GBP, same sideways in daily. 4 hour is bearish. It could have tapped in the value 4 hour FEG. No, okay, there is no FEG, so it's looking good for sells. Yeah, it is good for sales. The buying pressure wasn't there that much, and it retraced 50% of this move. It is going down. There is a 50-minute breakout structure. So yes, we are bearish. We won't trade GBP. We won't trade euro. We will trade GBP. If I had to, then euro should have been bearish, but I didn't see much. So 50-minute order block. What else do we have? Okay, the momentum is slow so far. So GBP 50-minute order block and 1-minute breakout structure, and we will enter. If it gives a 5-minute breakout structure, then I'll wait because it has, let's see, there is no pullback. So yes, if it retraces 50% and gives a 3-minute breakout structure, that is also fine. AUD, daily it was bullish. It is still, but there is no wick, so it is bullish, but it has already retraced so much in the daily. 4 hour also looks kind of bearish. This was a strong candle. This is a big wick, so yeah, it is bearish in 4 hour. Hourly, yeah, it is bearish in hourly also. This was a good pullback, buyers tried, but ultimately sellers won. Right now it's in a 1 hour zone, so we have a zone. That's a good thing. We can sell that zone. We have levels. That's a good thing. So we will sell AUD. It will close below this. Then I would have entered if this was market open, then I would have entered just right about. If it doesn't close it in 5 minutes, then I'll wait for it to close in 3 minutes. Okay, so 3-minute breakout structure is good below this level. So if after the session opens, 3-minute breakout structure, it might happen right away, then I'll wait for a retracement. If this candle doesn't close below the swing, then I'll wait for 3 minute breakout structure. Otherwise, if it closes, then I want a retracement, so 1 minute breakout structure in that case, because a new session opens, then I need a retracement, because if it closes, then it can come high, this highs take this liquidity. Okay, don't have much time, but fine, will be done by then. Daily, it might close around its opening price, JPY. Okay, so it is bullish in 4 hour. It tapped in the 4 hour fair value gap. IFVG, it did make a 1 hour order block for sales, but it isn't respecting, so it is bullish. It will close above this swing. We have a good place for it to enter. We have this order block, so it will close above that order block. If not, then we have fair value gaps. It will close. So JPY 15 minute order block retest, same as GBP, and 1 minute breakout structure, and we will enter. Okay, gold. It looks same like GPY. Okay, so 4 hour is nothing much is happening. The bullishness wasn't there, so let's see what 1 hour tell. It isn't looking good. There are big wicks both sides, and it's around its opening price. No, so we won't trade. We might not trade gold. Let's see. We don't have much time. Let's do the analysis of. Okay, so NQ is is there any, I don't know, is there any bank holidays today? Let's see. First analyze the chart. It has been sideways all day. I don't know if there is any news or. Well, we have a swing. I will check if there are any bank holidays. But otherwise we can sell below this swing. I'm not sure what's wrong with NQ. It has not moved all day. So a little late execution, but fine. In AUD. What else? What else? JPY, AUD. Okay, Euro is in the zone. We were planning to not trade Euro, so let's leave it. GPY is also moving without retracement. Okay, what about NQ? I won't trade NQ unless I know what's wrong. Maybe there is any news, I don't know. Bank holidays, maybe. What was the? I was not gonna trade gold, so let's leave it. I am in AUD. Let me show you the trade. It was a little late. I was looking for the lot size, because the lot size is the SL is very small, so the lot size is 1.2, more than one lot. I might get. And GPY is going without the retracement, so fine. This was a steep move, so without retracement we won't trade. And GPY, then AUD, Euro is okay. So there is no fair value gap. This is the bearish pattern that we use. We trade. So it is bearish. I really want to trade this one, but It is in the 1 minute order block, so 1 minute breakout structure, and I might go half quantity, less than half, because there is nothing much to trade. And GBP, there is big room for it to cover. So I'm going two-third quantity in JPY. The pattern is good, but there was no retracement, so we will not go with full quantity. It is a little risky. I like the 5 minute structure, so let's see. So just checked, and today is bank holiday, and I didn't knew. And neglection causes costs money. We had two SLs, yes, and these. How much did we lose? 25, almost $45. I traded AUD and JPY. The current balance is almost. We are down almost 3%. Yes, this will be a lesson to not repeat and check the news before the market opens. Fine, we will come back strong tomorrow. Thank you for watching.